Hello. Today I'll show you how to completely wipe your PC before selling it by fully resetting Windows 10 or 11. Step 1. Wipe Windows and perform a clean reinstallation. Click the search bar and type reset. Select Reset this PC under Recovery Settings. Click Reset PC. Choose Remove Everything to erase all your data. Next, choose Cloud Download recommended to reinstall a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft servers. In additional settings, click Change Setting. Turn on Clean Data to securely erase the drive. Click Confirm and then Next. Review the summary. All files, apps, and settings will be deleted. Click Reset to begin the process. Your PC will restart several times during the reset and reinstallation. Step 2. Initial Windows setup. After restart, select your region and click Yes. Choose your keyboard layout, then click Yes. If you don't have internet, you can choose local reinstall instead or skip Microsoft login after install by creating an offline account. Create a username and optional password for your local account. On the Choose Privacy settings for your device screen, select your preferred privacy options. Then click Next and finally click Accept to continue. Wait for the installation to complete. Windows has been completely reset and reinstalled. All files, apps, and settings are gone. Your PC is now ready for resale or clean use. That's all. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video.